Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I have a new mic. Let me know if you think that the audio quality is better, because I think it's definitely better because it's expensive, so it has to be better. Now, let's talk about your next and your last exam of your board exams, which is your IT or your AI. If you have two exams continuously on 17th and 18th, then I have a few additional tips for you in the end, so make sure you watch the entire video. This video is specifically for IT and AI. So before I tell you how to complete the entire syllabus in one day, because it's definitely possible to do it in one day, because it's small, and I'm going to tell you certain tips and tricks which will help you increase your marks. Before that, why do you need to study it? You must know that if you've done Damadol in certain subjects like maths or science, if it didn't go that well, you can still improve your percentage by making sure that you ace your IT or your AI. And क्योंकि यहाँ पे अगर if you get 90 plus, then your top 5 will be considered and your overall percentage will be increased. So use this opportunity very wisely. And it's easier because the exam is only for 50 marks. The other 50 marks your school is literally going to gift you. And if you're thinking that you're not such a great student, your school will not give you marks, it will still give you 45 plus. No matter how dumb you think you are literally not, and your school will give you 45 plus. All you have to do is to get 45 more marks and increase your percentage. Before that, let me tell you, I got 90 on 100 in my IT exam, and it was very surprising because I was dumb in IT, but I still got 90, and just by studying in 1 or 2 days. And I'm going to tell you exactly that. So let's get started with the video. In this video, I'm going to tell you what to focus on, how to study, and most importantly, where to study from, and a timetable to prove to you that you can literally study it in one day. Now that your exams are just 2 to 3 days away, you definitely must know your syllabus. So I'm not going to waste your time by telling you what is your syllabus. I'm just going to tell you what is important. As you can clearly see for your IT subject code 402, the important things. For example, your database management system is for 12 marks. Okay, this is given by CBSE itself, so you can trust it. And your electronic spreadsheet advanced 10 marks, and your safe and secure working environment for 10 marks. So focus more on these 3 chapters. HR chapter, and you'll be able to easily do it. I'm going to tell you that also further, but focus on these 3 chapters. Your part A is very easy, 10 marks ka hai. You don't have to do anything special for it. You'll be able to do it in 1 hour. 1 hour you give, and you'll be able to complete this entire part. For your artificial intelligence, it's comparatively a little trickier than IT. So what I suggest is that part A is the same as that of IT, है ना? Your part B is where your game changes. So focus again more on the important weightage parts. जैसे यहाँ पे you can see 9 marks is for your AI project cycle. Then you have your introduction to AI for 7 marks, and your NLP, your natural language processing for 8 marks, and your evaluation. So focus more on these 4 topics. Now let's talk about the most important thing. Where do you study from? Because let's be honest, because for IT or AI, you're only giving the paper for 50 marks and you don't need to have that much knowledge. And let's be honest, you'll get lost in that information. क्या पढ़ना समझ नहीं आएगा, you'll not be able to know what is important. I got a solution for you. There are many notes available, है ना? I've seen a lot of YouTube teachers giving their notes and all that. But what I recommend to you is that there's this website. Okay, I'm going to open and show it to you right now. Hold on. So let me show you. Let's say you want to study IT. Okay, it has even AI. So यहाँ पे तुम्हारा IT दिया है, class 10 IT. You can open your NCERT textbooks. You can have important textbook notes, your NCERT solutions, important PYQ. Everything is there right here. Just open the important question and answers. कुछ भी खोलो तुम. Let's say subject specific skill, your first chapter you open. Here you have your most important questions given. You can easily just read it, है ना? I think it's very nice. ये तो हो गया तुम्हारा questions का. You can also open the notes. ये तुम्हारा important textbook के हिसाब से it's given you important notes. So it's given so nicely. Can you see? It's given with pictures. It's given with your flow charts. And यहाँ पे सब भूल जाते करना. PYQ करो, उसमें दिया होगा. If you do your most important questions, most of it is already covered. Link in the description box for the website. So make sure you do your PYQs and your most important questions. So 4 hours you need for watching a marathon video. पूरा one shot video of your IT, part A, part B, everything included. 4 to 5 hours is all that it requires for your one shot marathon video, for your entire IT. Wake up in the morning. So in the morning, if you finish it off, you'll have aram se time in the evening to study at your own pace, and you need to study at your own pace. Watching the video is not important, so just keep listening. You're watching the video, उसके साथ तुम अपना टेक्स्ट बुक खोलो. अगर तुम टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ रहे हो, अगर नहीं पढ़ रहे हो तो ओपन द नोट्स, whichever notes you're using. तो while you're watching the video, अपने सामने वो टेक्स्ट खोले रहो, and whatever the teacher is teaching you, make sure you're reading it then and there simultaneously. Keep reading it and keep making notes. Whatever they're teaching you, listen and read. So you're using 2 senses, which is very important. Your hearing and your visual as well. If you do this, information is going to be retained faster because you're not just passively listening, you're actively involved in the process. So in these 4 hours, trust me, if you do what I'm telling you, you will literally thank me, क्योंकि बस जो वीडियो देख रहा है और जो वीडियो देख के पढ़ रहा है साथ में, चाहे वो तुम नोट से पढ़ो, चाहे वो तुम टेक्स्ट बुक से पढ़ो, you will see the difference yourself. So just do this. Then you can have your lunch, आराम से ब्रेक लो, ठीक है? आराम से, कोई लोड नहीं है. Then I want you to sit for at least 2 to 3 hours and self study. तुम नोट से पढ़ो चाहे बुक से पढ़ो, चाहे तुम जहां से पढ़ रहे हो, फ्रॉम वेर यू स्टडी, वट एवर नोट्स इफ यू माइट हैव मेड ऑफ द वीडियो और वट एवर यूर स्टडिंग, study that once. I don't care if you've never studied it before, but study it at least now after watching the marathon video. And lastly, what I want you to do is to do the PYQs. If you're not finding PYQs, it's okay. Just read the most important questions and you are sort, my friend. That's literally it, you guys. Your strategy for your IT or AI. And what a ride it's been for all of you who've been watching me. Thank you so much, and you guys are so sweet. You left me such sweet comments, and I was not expecting that at all. Because you guys are giving exams, you must be stressed, and you still take out time to leave such sweet messages. I am beyond moved. I'm grateful to each and every one of you, but don't be sad or emotional. I'm not going to leave you anytime soon. Your stream selection videos, and I'm going to tell you maybe a few stories of my 10th time. I'm going to do a board related Q&A. All of you have a lot of questions about, you missed here and there, so what's going to happen. And most of you are into NEET का क्या करना है ऐसे वैसे. I'm going to be here for all of you. No matter what, you're going to see me somewhere here and there, even though you're not into NEET or whatever. I'm going to pop up on your feed sometime in the future, and we're going to be chilling together. Make sure to subscribe. I'm very close to hitting 50k. So if you've been following me and you like the video or whatever, and you want to subscribe, please subscribe, and let's get 50k happening. It's not a farewell, so I'm going to see you in the next video.